Namaste. I'm Ezechi Ade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Are you in control of your emotions, or are they in control of you? Let's discuss that. First, please subscribe to the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Make sure you ring the notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Today, I'd like to discuss you are what you feel. Meishu Sama once wrote, "Gratitude gives birth to gratitude, and ingratitude creates more ingratitude. This is because gratitude reaches God, while ingratitude reaches dark forces. This is why those who are always grateful naturally enjoy happiness and good fortune, while those who are ungrateful and constantly complain are unhappy and are more and more unfortunate." What this means is that if you have negative feelings, negative statements, negative actions in your life, then it will create more negativity. Oh man, those people suck. This thing is terrible. It's people who constantly complain. Always have something to complain about. People who find the good, the best in everything, they're always happy. People around them are always happy. So, if you find yourself complaining, stop yourself. Give yourself that perspective to say, oh, I don't want to be a complainer. I want to raise the vibration of this situation. Let me see if I can find the good in it. Finding the good in the situation will give you peace, will give you happiness. And those who are connected to you will find peace and happiness also. When you are around someone who is always complaining, try to show them the better side of the situation. If they don't listen, they refuse, you have to remove yourself from their presence, because their negativity will weigh you down. Are you weighed down by the negativity of a coworker, a friend, family member? I'd like to hear in the comments below. Please subscribe to the Golden Circle Movement channel. Make sure you ring the notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Make sure you like and share the video. It does help the channel. Also, make sure you hit me up on other social platforms. I'm on Instagram at Ezechi Ade and Twitter at Ezechi Ade. You can also reach me on the Facebook group, the Golden Circle Movement on Facebook. The links to all of these are in the description below. Thank you for your participation. I'm Ezechi Ade. Namaste.